What if I told you that you could create a product one time, just one time, and sell it over and over and over again and get paid even while you sleep? What if I told you there's something that you can do that can generate another stream of income for your life and you have it within you right now? What is it? You got some digital assets within your heart that you can make digital cash from. And I want to share with you in this video right now how you can implement that in your life to create another stream of income so you create a life worth living instead of living a life survival. So let's get into it. Don't you know digital products are the fastest way to build another income stream without trading time for money? Because let's be real. Some of y'all working 40, 50, 60 hours a week trying to make ends meet, and the ends are not meeting. I've been there. I've done that. Used to work 40 hours a week and then trying to do 25 hours of overtime because I was living an American dream, but it turned into an American nightmare. I was driving 2 hours away from work, 2 hours to go back home and not getting no rest. And on the weekend I was so tired, I couldn't do anything. But then I remembered, God has given us the power to create wealth. And what way you create wealth? One of the ways, not all the ways, one of the ways you can create a digital product. What's a digital product? A product that you can sell over and over and over again. It can be an ebook, it can be a regular book, it can be a digital course, it can be many things. There's over 10 things you create as a digital product and make money off of it. Between me and my wife, we created over 13 books. We published over 13 books. Not only 13 books, we published courses on how to become an author instead of a writer, how to publish your first book. We've done all these things. Why? Because that's a stream of income that we can create. And I want to share with you how you create it also. Don't you know you got digital assets in your heart? How I got digital assets in my heart? I'm glad you asked. You got digital assets in your heart. What is it? It's your experience. You got experiences that nobody else have. And those experiences, you have a perception of that experience. And if you came out of that experience, even if you came out with scars, that's something that you can share with the world. And I'm gonna get a little bit deep in here. Not only the world, you have people assigned to you that will buy your digital product just because. What's a just because? Just because you went through that experience. They can recognize the scars that you have because they have scars. They can recognize the vibration that you're already in because you went through the same thing they're going through or they came out of. They will buy your product just because they resonate with you. Now, a digital product is a product that you can create one time. Give you an example. How to become an author instead of a writer. That's a product that I created between me and my wife because we know how to publish a book, not only how to publish a book, how to format the book, not only how to format the book, how to arrange the chapters in the book so it can flow. Because a lot of people, they're creating books and they don't have the blueprint on how to make that book effective. Transformation is what sells. And if you don't have transformation in that digital product, it's just going to sit on the shelf. You're going to be like, I'm not making no money. I'm not making no money. Why? Because you're not transforming people's lives. We're transforming people's lives by just speaking on YouTube. We transform people's lives who entrust us to give them the information so they can have the transformation in their life. Because you got to understand, if you're going to create a digital product, you're not selling files. You're not just selling a digital product. No, you're selling a transformational product. And when you say it like that, and when you put that in your mindset, I'm transforming people's lives, every time you make a sale, you're transforming somebody's life if they take it seriously. I'm not telling you to buy these products out here that you can just buy the product and resell it. It's not a part of you. Somebody asks you, well, how did you overcome this? You got to read it to find out. No. I'm talking to those people who know they got a gift, they know they got a message, and they know they have something inside of them they can share with the people that's assigned to them. Not the whole world, because everybody's not going to rock with you. Everybody's not going to, I said gonna. Be making up words. It's okay. That's why I just shoot these videos one time. Everybody is not going to rock with you because everybody has not been through the experience that you have been through. And if you share it and then tell the people, here is the next step, you can create another stream of income. Why? because you're sharing that digital asset, which is your experience that's in your heart. You putting it into a digital product, which you can sell and create digital cash. So you can create your life that's worth living instead of living a life of survival of trying to make ends meet, working a 60-hour job. So you might say, well, I hear what you're saying, Doc, but how am I going to do that for my life? I'm glad you asked. This is what I want you to do, because I don't teach people without giving them some steps they have to take just to get started. This is just the first video of many. This is going to be a series on how to create your digital product, how to create your digital assets and transform them into digital products. So the first thing I want you to do is write down 3 ways, just 3 ways you can help somebody today using your experience. I want you to sit back and think, what experiences that you have? Could it be you came out of divorce? Could it be that you came out of foreclosure? Could it be that you came out of auto repossession? Could it be that you came off of some type of illicit drugs? I don't know what it is that you came out of, but those things that I just said, I came out of bankruptcy with scars. I came out of foreclosure with scars. I came out of auto repossession with scars. I haven't done with no drugs. I don't deal with drugs. I don't deal with no drugs. But you get the point I'm trying to say. Every experience that you have, you can create something that you can sell. A digital asset. Number 1, your digital asset is your experience that you can create to a digital product to make digital cash. So I want you to write 3 things that you can help somebody today from your experience. Just write those 3 things down. I want you to comment below one skill you have right now, that you can turn into a digital product. It's that simple. And this is just number 1 of the series of videos on why digital products are the future. I'm Anthony, my time. This is my life. This is my experience. This is my time. You see that bird over there? I don't even know what kind of bird it is. I'm thinking about leaving, but I ain't gonna leave because I'm shooting this video. I'm not gonna stop recording. I'm just gonna keep on playing because that's one thing I learned about shooting a video. Shoot it straight, no edits unless you really mess up. And I'm not really messing up. I'm just showing you my environment. And that's number 2. When you're talking about things that you love, you don't need to worry about if you mess up. If you mess up, keep on going. Just like in life. If you mess up on your videos, just start from where you ended it. I'm just showing you my environment. And that's number 2. When you're talking about things that you love, you don't need to worry about if you mess up. If you mess up, keep on going. Just like in life. If you mess up on your videos, just start from where you ended it.